Hello everyone, my name is Paranjay Sharma. I am a student at IIPS DAVV. This video is regarding my assignment for Introduction to Data Science subject in my 5th sem of MCA. So this video is particularly regarding about the second internal test. So it's basically a fill in the blanks type of test in which we have more than 50 questions over here, and answer key for that I will be discussing about it. So let's start. So when merging datasets with different measurement systems, ensuring dash between units is crucial. So consistency is the right answer for that. In data cleaning, garbage in and garbage out stresses that analysis quality depends on input data. Dash are systematic problems, biases are systematic problems. For introducing data biases are systematic problems introduced during the data cleaning process. Irrecoverable information lost during acquisition is an artifact. Replacing missing data with the mean is called mean imputation. Filling missing values via regression or curve fitting is known as model based imputation or regression based imputation. It's basically linear regression. Always preserve both the raw data and the clean data set. Converting John Smith to Smith, John is an example of name standardization. Outlier detection is often used as a sanity check. Functions like uh, functions like uh, functions like unidecode help remove inconsistent characters during encoding repair. Then for section B we have machine learning concepts related questions. So the 11th question is transforming raw variables into more informative ones is called feature engineering, or we can say attribute engineering. Then predicting a numeric value, it's basically regression. A model that fits training data perfectly but fails on new data suffers from overfitting. Dropout and weight penalties are example of regularization methods. Then training multiple diverse models is ensemble learning. Then a simple reference model for comparison is called baseline model. Independent unchanging data is stationary data. Parameters tuned before training is called hyperparameter tuning. Then comparing two versions statistically is called A/B testing. Normalization typically rescales numeric features from values between 0 to 1. The difference between train and test performance measures model generalization. Bias sampling in data collection can cause uh, sampling bias. Model trained once and not updated further is a static model. A model that continuously retrains itself is called dynamic or online model. The loss function measuring divergence between predicted and true probability is cross entropy. Then we have next section which is about deep learning related questions. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning itself. Neural networks are universal approximators of function. A network with more than one hidden layer is termed as deep neural network. Each layer output becomes the next layer input. CNN are mainly used for image classification. RNN handles data with strong sequence dependencies. LSTM is an improved version of a RNN network. In a GAN, the second model acts as a discriminator, distinguishing real and fake data. Reusing a pre-trained model for a related task is called transfer learning. The wide part of wide and deep model helps in memorizing specific examples. The deep part capture more Abstract features. Linear classifiers combine inputs with weight and biases. Activation function introduces non-linearity into neural models. Adding neurons or hidden layers increases model capacity. Transfer learning leverages learned features from prior tasks. Then coming on to the last section of this second internal test, which is related to programming, specifically Python data structures. So in Python, lists are ordered and mutable, meaning they can be changed. Tuples differ from lists because they are immutable. Dictionaries store values as key value pairs. A DQ allows fast operations at both ends. Counter is a subclass of dict that tallies occurrences. A frozen set is a set that is immutable. The heap queue module implements a priority queue. In a max heap, each parent node's value is greater than its children. Converting a list into heap order is called heapifying or heapify. So that's all about the second internal test. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next one.